What type of government system does the Constitution of India establish? A. Unitary system. B. Federal system. C. Confederal system. D. Monarchical system. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Federal system. Which of the following is not a feature of a federation present in the Indian Constitution? A. Division of powers. B. Supremacy of Constitution. C. Single citizenship. D. Written Constitution. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Single citizenship. What characteristic reflects the unitary bias in the Indian Constitution? A. Bicameralism. B. Independent judiciary. C. Strong center. D. Written constitution. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Strong center. Which term is actually used in Article 1 of the Indian Constitution to describe India? A. Federation. B. Federation of States. C. Union of States. D. Republic. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Union of States. The absence of the term federation in the Indian Constitution implies that A. States were independent entities before federation. B. There is no federal structure at all. C. The Indian Federation is not the result of an agreement by the states. D. The states can secede from the federation. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. The Indian Federation is not the result of an agreement by the states. What does K.C. Weir describe the Indian Constitution as? A. Unitary in form. B. Federal in form. C. Quasi-federal. D. Absolute federal. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Quasi-federal. Cooperative federalism is a term used by which scholar? A. Ivor Jennings. B. Granville Austin. C. K.C. Weir. D. Morris Jones. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Granville Austin. Which of the following provisions indicates the unitary bias of the Indian Constitution? A. Independent judiciary. B. All India services. C. Bicameral legislature. D. Separation of powers. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. All India services. The process of appointing state governors in India is indicative of which type of feature? A. Federal feature. B. Unitary feature. C. Legislative feature. D. Judicial feature. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Unitary feature. How is the Constitution of India often described in relation to its federal and unitary characteristics? A. Federal in form and spirit. B. Unitary in form but federal in spirit. C. Federal in form but unitary in spirit. D. Fully federal with no unitary features. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Federal in form but unitary in spirit. What type of government system has the Constitution of India opted for? A. American presidential system. B. British parliamentary system. C. Soviet socialist system. D. Absolute monarchy. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. British parliamentary system. The parliamentary system is also known as the A. Democratic model. B. Westminster model. C. Federal model. D. Monarchical model. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Westminster model. Which principle underlies the parliamentary system? A. Separation of powers. B. Electoral competition. C. Cooperation and coordination. D. Direct democracy. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Cooperation and coordination. Which of the following is not a feature of the parliamentary government in India? A. Presence of nominal and real executives. B. Majority party rule. C. Fixed terms for the legislature. D. Collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Fixed terms for the legislature. In the parliamentary system, the Prime Minister leads which body? A. The judiciary. B. The legislature. C. The Lok Sabha or Assembly. D. The Electoral Commission. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. The Lok Sabha or Assembly. What is one significant difference between the Indian Parliament and the British Parliament? A. Indian Parliament is a hereditary body. B. Indian Parliament is not a sovereign body. C. British Parliament has collective responsibility. D. British Parliament is elected. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Indian Parliament is not a sovereign body. What type of head does the Indian state have? A. Hereditary head, monarchy. B. Elected head, republic. C. Appointed head. D. Ceremonial head. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Elected head, republic. In British political science terminology, the role of the Prime Minister has led to the term A. Collective Cabinet. B. Presidential Government. C. Prime Ministerial Government. D. Monarchical Government. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Prime Ministerial Government. What does the concept of collective responsibility in a parliamentary system imply? A. The Prime Minister is solely responsible for all decisions. B. The Cabinet as a whole is responsible to the legislature. C. Each minister is responsible only for their own department. D. The legislature is responsible for all executive actions. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. The Cabinet as a whole is responsible to the legislature. Which of the following features allows for the dissolution of the lower house in India? A. Majority party rule. B. Leadership of the Prime Minister or Chief Minister. C. Collective responsibility of the executive. D. Presence of nominal and real executives. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Leadership of the Prime Minister or Chief Minister. The doctrine of sovereignty of Parliament is primarily associated with which country's Parliament? A. Indian Parliament. B. American Congress. C. British Parliament. D. Canadian Parliament. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. British Parliament. Which principle is associated with the American Supreme Court? A. Parliamentary sovereignty. B. Legislative supremacy. C. Judicial supremacy. D. Executive supremacy. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Judicial supremacy. Compared to the British system, the Indian parliamentary system has A. More powers. B. Fewer powers. C. Identical powers. D. None of the above. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Fewer powers. The scope of judicial review in India is A. Broader than in the US. B. Similar to that in the US. C. Narrower than in the US. D. Non-existent. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Narrower than in the US. The American Constitution provides for which of the following against procedure established by law in the Indian Constitution? A. Law and order. B. Due process of law. C. Administrative procedures. D. Common law. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Due process of law. The framers of the Indian Constitution aimed for a synthesis between which two principles? A. Judicial activism and parliamentary sovereignty. B. Federalism and unitary government. C. Parliamentary sovereignty and judicial supremacy. D. Direct democracy and representative democracy. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Parliamentary sovereignty and judicial supremacy. What power does the Supreme Court of India have regarding parliamentary laws? A. To create laws for Parliament. B. To declare parliamentary laws as unconstitutional. C. To amend parliamentary laws. D. To execute parliamentary laws. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. To declare parliamentary laws as unconstitutional. What can the Indian Parliament do with respect to the Constitution? A. Overrule judicial decisions. B. Amend a significant portion of the Constitution. C. Determine the constitutionality of laws. D. Dissolve the Supreme Court. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Amend a significant portion of the Constitution. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution discusses A. Fundamental rights. B. Procedure established by law. C. Directive principles of state policy. D. Sovereignty of Parliament. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Procedure established by law. Which of the following correctly describes the relationship between the Indian Parliament and the Supreme Court? A. They have equal power over constitutional amendments. B. The Supreme Court can nullify laws made by Parliament. C. Parliament has no power to amend the Constitution. D. The Supreme Court has ultimate authority over legislative matters. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. The Supreme Court can nullify laws made by Parliament.